the principle behind it, the concepts that they explain, and then you can practically use anything. They also sell modular na matibay yung fiberglass. Kung if you want to get into semi-commercial production, yun po yung mga pinakita niya. Those are modular, they fabricate it and they sell it themselves. Kasi ang maganda niyan sa modular, pwede kayong dagdag na lang ng dagdag. What you can afford lang now, maybe ako nga, I started with a setup, yung modular na, kasi I know it will be exposed to the elements. Pero gusto ko matibay na. Minsan, kasi may limitations yung mga materials na ganito, lalo na kung exposed to the elements. And I wanted to earn income. So I wanted it to, I have like one grow bed like that, it can have 120 heads of lettuce sa isang, 3 by 6 yata yun na isang grow bed nila, yung the one I got from Modular Aquaponics. But I have 4 of those. So medyo semi-commercial na production po. And then I have 1 fish tank, yung tinuro po niya. So yun personal consumption kasi matilapia kami, matilapia kami sa isda. Pinagdadamot, ayaw namin.